1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil for pottery. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood para sa community. Pottery has three kinds: may earthenware, stoneware, at porcelain. Earthenware is low-fired. It's usually made for flower pots. It's more porous compared sa stoneware and porcelain, which are high-fired pottery. Ang specialization namin stoneware, we fire at 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, kunin namin yung clay, it has a temperature na yun. Pag okay siya, we get it in bulk, soak it in water, sasalain until it goes through 40 minutes. Pag lumabas doon, very watery po, we have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks. Ganito ang itsura niya. Hindi pupulutin doon at pwede na dito. Kailangang itest natin proseso kasi hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay. Hindi lahat ng clay ay pwede. I'll show you the making of the pot with a demo fee of 900 for the group. Kung may mag-try, 100 per head po. Is that okay? First, I have to center the flame. In order to center, you need the speed of the flame and the pressure from the hands. Once it's centered, everything starts with a cylinder. To make a cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. Kamay ko ang mag-control sa clay, not the clay controlling my hands to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is a very basic shape. From here, you can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. Right now, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it outwards to widen. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards to narrow down. Then outwards again at the very top to make a flower vase.
Pretty.
Pwede pang i-narrow down dito to enhance the shape if needed be. Makes it a little bit sexier. Pwede ring maging pichel, paglagyan ng nguso na ganyan. That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, do anything that will enhance the beauty. Then we dry it for 1 month, air dry lang po. Ilagay sa oven for 10 hours of firing, wait for it to cool down, or bring it out, then apply the glazes. The glaze po gives the color and makes it shiny, but it doesn't come out upon application like paint. Kailangang iluto ulit ng another 10 hours of glaze firing para po ma-finish siya. That's why they're safe for food containers, they're microwavable, and the color doesn't fade po. Anyone for a hand?